students. Today we are going to learn a poem in English. The name of the poem is Nature. Standard 1, poem number 2, Nature, English balbharati. Let's start. Now, what do you mean by nature? Things which are not made, not man-made or not made by us, such as plants, animals, birds, sun, moon, etc. are all part of nature. So let's start. First we'll read the poem. Nature. Nature is might, nature is strong. Nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue. Nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Now, the first four lines of the poem. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Now, what do you mean by might? Might means very powerful, which is beautiful. It is moody. It is moody means, mood means sometimes the nature is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it rains. That is, nature is called as moody. Next stanza of the poem. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Smart, it means it has put so much detailing in everything. Nature is blue, blue represents the water. Nature is green, it means green grass, trees, leaf, and nature is true. True like a true friend, it always helps us. Nature always helps us. Now the last stanza of the poem. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Now, it means we are also a part of nature, and whatever the nature provides us is free. Whether it is the sunlight, whether it is the shine of the moon, plants, trees, medicines, everything is free in nature. Now let's read the difficult words in the poem. First is nature, might, strong, beauty, moody, smart, blue, green, ever, free, true.